Are you getting ready to take the middle grade mathematics exam? That's exam code 025. I'm Terriana, an ESC specialist and test prep expert at study.com. Today, I'll be reviewing the knowledge of number sense, operations, and proportionalities to help you feel confident for test day. Are you ready? Let's begin. Here is problem number 1. Giving the following numbers 10, blank, absolute value, negative 25, which of the following is the result of buying the given numbers? This question expects us to compare two quantities. However, absolute value, negative 25, is not in standard form. We're going to convert absolute value, negative 25, into standard form. This is going to be positive 25. Now we can look at the equation as 10 blank 25. 25 is the larger number, so 10 is less than 25, or 10 is less than absolute value negative 25. Moving on to problem number 2. In a nursery, there are 5 children and the babysitter has 15 candies. If the babysitter wants to distribute the candy equally to the children, which of the following operations can she perform to find out how much candy each child gets? There are 2 words that can help us determine the answer: distribute and equally. If the babysitter has 15 candies and she would like to distribute them equally, she can divide. Division helps us to distribute things equally. She can divide 15 by 5. Now for problem number 3. Given the following sum, 33 plus 28, which of the following is the estimate of the given sum? For this problem, we have to find 2 things: the estimate and the sum. There are 2 ways to solve this problem. The first way is to find the sum first. 33 plus 28 is equal to 61. Because the 1 is in the ones place and it is less than 5, the number can be estimated to 60. Or we could estimate first and then find the sum. 33 can be estimated to 30 because of the 3 in the ones place. 28, however, has an 8 in the ones place, so it can be rounded up. 28 is rounded to 30. 30 plus 30 is equal to 60. Great! You've made it to the last problem. Problem number 4. What is the GCF of 18 and 30? GCF stands for greatest common factor. We have to start off by finding the factors of 18. Numbers that can be used to multiply 18 include 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. Next, we're going to find the factors of 30. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, and 30. The common multiples of 18 and 30 include 1, 2, 3, and 6. The greatest of the common factors is 6. I hope this video was helpful. If you're looking for more ways to study, check out our other videos and make your way over to study.com to check out our test prep courses. As a study.com member, you'll get full access to hundreds of practice problems like the ones I walked through today, plus targeted instruction for any topics that you're still struggling with, as well as test strategies to help you maximize your score on test day. Finally, we want to hear from you. Please like and subscribe if today's video was helpful, and let us know down below in the comments if there's any specific topics that you want us to cover next. Good luck and happy testing!